Hey guys, what's up? Daniel here. Today we're taking a look at the the white iPhone XR and the blue iPhone XR here. And yeah, you can see them right there. The blue is definitely a baby or really light blue. I definitely wouldn't consider it just straight up blue. And the white is actually pure white this time. So unlike the iPhone XR, the iPhone XS and the iPhone X, which are really cloudy and grayed out whites, this is actually pure on, super clean, super simple looking white, which just looks amazing and totally destroys the iPhone XS's color. And I wish Apple would have gone with this color. I'm not sure what happened to them and why they went with that cloudy white, which looks really ugly when you really compare this to that color, but it looks so good right here. And you can just see it laying down on the table right there. It looks so simple and so nice. And of course the blue here also looks very nice. And I was saying this on the unboxing, but it looks a lot, or it reminds me of the DS Lite when I bought the blue one back in the day. For some reason, it's just kind of like that really bright blue that kind of gives it a very toy-like feel. So this doesn't look as premium as, let's say, the product red or the black one, or heck, even the coral one looks probably a little bit more premium than the blue one. This one looks really getting close to a toy, but not in a bad way, of course. It looks really nice. And I think if you like it from just first impressions right there, you are gonna like it in person. However, it's kind of the same thing as what I was saying with the red iPhone XR, is that I love the color, but I don't think I would own it. And that's a very important distinction to make when you're choosing a phone, so that you don't regret it and then want to change your mind later. Like, you can like pancakes, but maybe you don't want to order pancakes, if you know what I mean. So for me, I love the blue one, I love the red one, love the black one, but the one I would actually order is right here. And it's just because it's the best color Apple has made aside from the original iPhone. I think the silver borders here look amazing in the aluminum and definitely beat the iPhone XR's stainless steel borders. This just looks amazing, and it feels super premium in the hand too. Of course, you got that one camera there and everything just looks really good. I don't want to feel like I'm outshadowing or forgetting about the blue one here, but it's just that if I was to choose between these two, I'd definitely go with the white one. However, if you like blue and you're willing to, own a blue phone, then you're not going to regret this. This is a beautiful looking blue color that you're really going to enjoy. I do wish that Apple would have made the sides on the aluminum nicer looking. I don't know if you know what I mean, but right there you can see this kind of weird sheen to it, which I don't like the way it ends up reflecting the blue and how it ends up looking all metallic-y looking instead of straight up looking like a color like we've gotten in some of the colored versions in previous years. It just, it could have been better, but it looks really nice. I think that's my overall just feeling on this color, and pretty much all the colors here that have a colored border. It looks nice, but it could have looked nicer. Maybe aside from the red. The red one, I think they really nailed that color. But let's go ahead and show you some more B-roll here so that you guys can see this in different lighting conditions and how they look in very low light environments and dim lighting conditions, maybe even yellow lighting, and of course even outside, just so you can see. And pretty much the baby blue is going to just get either really bright, but you're almost pretty much always going to see a bright baby blue. It's never going to be a darker blue or anything like that. Meanwhile, the white kind of does reflect the environment, but it's pretty much also going to look really nice and clean at all times. That's really why I like the white. It's just really nice and clean and simple, modern, and it just looks minimal. Looks good with pretty much everything. The blue, you are going to have to choose cases that are the correct color for it, or else it's going to look kind of weird. And that's pretty much that. I'm probably going to add some B-roll too of how they look in cases, so I don't forget to do that, so you guys can see how they look. But that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below or reach out to me on Twitter at RMRDNL or at DarkGadgets, and I'll get back to you there. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Goodbye.